प्राध्यापकांबरोबर चर्चा. अभ्यासात आपल्याला आपल्या प्राध्यापकांबरोबर नेहमीच चर्चा करावी लागते. चला तर आज आपण आपल्या प्राध्यापकांना भेटूया. जर्मन भाषेत कौशल्य प्राप्त करण्यासाठी मीता आपल्या प्राध्यापकांकडून सल्ला घेत आहे.
Yeah, don't worry about the books. Yeah, it's okay.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, I'll call you back, huh? Good morning, yes?
Sir, my name is Meeta. I've taken German for my BA.
Yes, I know. What can I do for you?
Sir, I want your guidance for my studies.
You are doing well in class.
Sir, I want to be a professional translator in the German language. Can you please tell me what else I can do apart from my studies to gain proficiency in German?
Nice decision. There are big careers on the international levels for translators. You can only succeed if you speak like a German.
What shall I do for this, sir?
For every language, there are many flavors. Like we have so many ways of speaking Hindi differently in our country.
Exactly, sir. How will I know whether my German is like a German person's German or not?
The best way is to watch German movies and pay attention to the pronunciations.
But where will I get German movies?
Ask in your local video library or download from the internet.
Can I inquire at the German Council?
You can try your luck. Also, equip yourself with the best German dictionaries.
What else can I do, sir?
Read books loudly in front of the mirror. That way, you can also master your expressions.
How?
You can make some German friends and chat with them over the internet.
That's a nice idea. Thank you so much, sir.
But remember one thing,
Yes, sir?
don't neglect your studies while doing all this. Your German degree is also very important.
I'll keep that in mind, sir. Thank you so much for your advice.
You're most welcome. You can consult me anytime. Bye.
Have a nice day, sir.
अभ्यासक्रमाची चौकशी. संगणक शिकणे हल्ली सोपी गोष्ट आहे. सगळे शिकतात, पण त्यासाठी संगणक संस्थेत जाऊन आपल्याला माहिती तर घ्यावीच लागेल ना. चला तर तिथेच जाऊ. प्रीतीला संगणक प्रशिक्षण घ्यायचे आहे. याबाबत ती एका प्रशिक्षण संस्थेत चौकशी करत आहे.
Good evening, madam. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to know about your course in multimedia.
May I know what are you doing currently?
I'm doing a course in mass media. I'd like to learn more about video editing and computer graphics.
Very well. We have a complete one-year diploma course in multimedia. You would be given detailed training in multimedia, right away from story writing to direction and camera operations to editing and special effects.
Do you have your own studio setup and equipments?
Yes, we have a fully equipped professional studio and our course is completely practical based.
Is it a full day course? I'm doing my college, so full day will not be possible for me.
You can go for the morning or the evening batch. You have to attend around 4 hours daily.
And what is the course fee?
For 1 year, we charge 1,20,000 all inclusive. This includes your setup cost for your assigned documentary film.
Oh, I get to make my own documentary. That's great.
Yes, I told you, our course is fully practical.
Are there any installment schemes or any scholarships that you give?
Sorry, we don't have scholarship facility, but you can pay the fees in 4 installments.
Do you have any job assurance or maybe a placement facility?
Your work will be judged by top producers and directors from the industry. And you know, most of our students got placed immediately after the course got over. We will also arrange for your campus interviews.
And when does the new batch start?
From the 1st of next month.
Thank you very much. I'll let you know in the next week after talking to my father.
No problem. Just fill this enquiry form. I will contact you next week.
Definitely. Thanks a lot.
Feel free to contact me for any queries.
Of course. Have a good day.
For you too. Bye.